morning. It is day 2 of the chaotic home of taking down Fayetteville. Let's make some coffee. Uh-oh, y'all are behind the glass. Hey, girl, you behind the glass. Well, hello. That's what you call looking through a dirty glass. She played too much. She played way too much. Okay. We left off. Well, first of all, it is stuff everywhere. Look at Mama's stuff. Her stuff looks so good. You see that combination right here? Ain't that nice? We got Mama's stuff, trash, part of Fayetteville, right? I don't know if you can see through there stuff. Fayetteville through there, right? And I need to go out here to the shed and try to find some trash bags. We're gonna take all this plywood outside today. I still have this whole section to take down. The carnival and campsite, and then this whole side here. That big mound right here is all trash. And then, of course, the Fayetteville containers. The dining room chairs are over in the theater. So that's been unused. I don't even know if you can see up there. Stuff is... it's a lot. I can't wait to just get everything back shifted around and, you know, back to normal. But it's 28 degrees outside, I believe. And while I know some of y'all are gonna be fussing, I need to run out here and see if there's some more trash bags. Come with me out here. I'll show y'all that stuff still everywhere. Like the house is just, I feel like we're the only people who the house is just upside down. Even though probably not. God, that's a big old bird. I think it's too cold for snakes. Where would those bags be? Instacart some trash bags. And some coffee cream. I just placed the order for Instacart for the trash bags. See if we can get this house turned around. In the meantime, y'all.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that.
I just had to Instacart 2 more bins for the rest of the stuff. So I've got to put the trees up, this pile, that pile of the stuff. And then I have some piles here. Got my man Jay helping me in Fayetteville as always, doing the takedown, the trash stuff. So let me show y'all where we are. So far, we done, really. We're just in the cleanup phase. Okay, so let's finish this, y'all, and then we're gonna get the house back. I feel light already. And then I just Instacarted this stuff too. Some of this is for Mama. Got some salt for Mama. Got us some antibacterial. I got this for Mama, but we actually need it here, so I'm gonna get her another one. And then some Clorox. What is this? She swapped. That's fine. That's fine. Yep, that's fine. And then got Mama some Q-tips. This for her jars. And her some cotton balls so that when we do that, we get her stuff. Oh, and also, let me show y'all this. I also Instacarted these yesterday for her. She has a little room, like right off her kitchen. It's not really a pantry. I think it's more like a storage, like little room or whatever. But I feel like she could put these two shelves in there because she doesn't have like a deep freezer, washer, or anything like that. So I think she could put these two in here, and it'll just give her a place for extra storage. For overflow, food, appliances that, you know, she can't sit out and, you know, on the countertops or whatever. We have to break these boxes down too. It's just so much, y'all. It's just so much in here. So much. But anyway, let's finish. Don't need to complain.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Used to never do what's best for me. I was such a whore. just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you. You became the middle way between getting no love and getting way too much. I pray that you're the one who cares for me, cares enough to keep me safe. Just like the sun, you showed me which way I should go, yeah. Just like the wind, you pulled me up when I was low, oh yeah. This time my hopes are up, 'cause you got my heart in your hand. And do what you want, what you want, what you want with it, but don't give it back. You stole my heart from me, but it don't mean that you're a thief. You saved me from myself, 'cause I used to give it out for free. I hope you can keep it safe, keep it locked till we throw away the key. You stole my heart from me, 'cause it can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Can't be trusted, can't be trusted, can't be trusted with me. Habits can be hard to kill.
I'm going to give myself some grace, even though I didn't get nowhere near done. But I am over it, okay? So we still have all of Fayetteville packed up to just haul off. She's done. I still gotta listen, but she's in the theater. All of this, all the way down to the other wall in the theater, is all Fayetteville. We got Mama's TV here. Got this back going. We got our living room back. So I did get that done. And I'm tired. I would have liked to have gotten Fayetteville hauled off today, but it's starting to rain. It's getting dark, and I'm tired. Didn't make it upstairs today. I'll start on that tomorrow, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe even Monday. It's the weekend. And it was a pleasure hosting Fayetteville once again here in Colorado. Well, actually, I'm back to North Carolina now, but you know, it's good to have the space back. It's like Fayetteville never was even here. Just 18 hours ago, you know? But yeah, so that's it. We got straightened up in here. I got me a TikTok order that came today. I can't remember what this is. So I brought all of Mama's stuff in here. All her things are right here except for the TV. Her bed came. I don't know if you saw that earlier, but her bed came today. And I'll pop it on the screen, show you what it looked like. So all her stuff here. I got the room back. I got my room back. So I did get that cleaned up. Mama's rugs are in here. Oh, so light and bright and airy again. And that is that. Look at that. It's a good day. I'm about to Instacart dinner. Wine. I'm about to take me an edible. Actually, Mama's move date is Friday, you guys, the 19th. And I was just hoping that they would call her earlier, but it's okay. We was just rushing it. We're ready now, though. We are completely ready to rock and roll. And again, it's okay that I didn't get done. I got a majority done, and that's the main thing. Feels really good. This is a beautiful couch, y'all. This is the real deal, okay? It's the real freaking deal. Oh, wow. I can't believe this literally was just fabulous. Like, that is insane to me, for real, y'all. That all of this was Fayetteville. Alexa, turn on dining room light. Sorry, y'all. Alexa's went off. Sorry. Oh, everything is back, y'all. Yep, I'm about to take me a nice hot bath. Look at my TikTok stuff. Go ahead and put my Instacart order in so that while I'm bathing, it'll be coming. Maybe tomorrow, if it's not raining, I'll get Fabville hauled off. And then we can straighten up a little bit in the garage next week, maybe. Or it can wait, to be honest. The main thing is to get Fabville taken back and secure and get Mama moved in at the end of next week. And then we'll have even more space here in the house. And that is that, y'all. I hope y'all have enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of work and disassembling. And a lot of it I didn't even film just because I'm like, you know what? I'm not even going to bore them with the antics. I'm just not even going to do it. Put my Instacart order in, y'all. And listen, I don't need to be on nobody's camera looking like this because I am tired, okay? I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Watch yesterday's video, watch the day before that video, and the one before that. That's your weekend lineup, okay? I love you so much. I want to say shout out to all my Fabville residents, you guys, for participating. I will see you in about 7 months for Fabville, okay, shenanigans. But until then, we're going to focus on Mama. We're going to focus on the bus build after we get Mama situated and all the things that 2024 has to offer us. Don't let nobody dictate your mood. Do something good for yourself, and always what? Do something good for somebody else. The original. All right, bye y'all.